In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconnect Xero bank feed. If your bank feed has expired or been disconnected, Xero doesn't provide a dedicated reconnect button. Instead, you re-establish the connection by setting it up again and linking it to your existing bank account record in Xero. Don't worry, done correctly, this won't create a duplicate account, and your reconciliations remain intact. Start by signing in to your Xero account and heading to your company's homepage. Make sure you have the right user permissions to manage bank feeds. If you don't, ask your administrator to grant access first. From the main navigation, open the Accounting menu. This is where you manage your books, reports, and most importantly today, your bank accounts and feeds. Hover over the menu if you don't immediately see the options. On some screens, items collapse into drop-downs. Next, choose Bank Accounts. Here you'll see all the bank and credit card accounts already set up in your organization. Find the account whose feed needs attention. You might see a notice that the connection has expired, is disconnected, or needs to be refreshed. That's your cue to proceed with a fresh connection. Because there isn't a true reconnect feature, you'll connect the bank from the start. The key is to link the new feed to your existing bank account in Xero, not to create a brand new ledger account. Keeping the original account ensures your transaction history, reconciliations, and bank rules stay exactly where they are. Click Add Bank Account. Search for your bank by name and select it from the list. Xero will guide you through a secure confirmation process. Typically, that means authenticating with your online banking credentials and completing any multi-factor verification your bank requires. Follow the prompts carefully. If Xero or your bank asks which Xero bank account to connect to, choose the existing one that matches the account you're fixing. If a date range is offered for importing transactions, select an appropriate start date to avoid bringing in duplicates of transactions you've already reconciled. Once confirmed, return to the bank accounts page and check the feed status. It should show as connected, though it may take a little time for the first transactions to flow through. When they appear, head to your Reconcile screen to match and approve them as usual. That's it. You've effectively reconnected your Xero bank feed by creating a fresh connection and linking it to your existing account. If your bank requires periodic reconsent, set a reminder so the feed doesn't lapse again. Thanks for watching, and happy reconciling.